Welcome guys. So last lecture we have seen for and for each loop. Okay, so now in this lecture we'll see while and do while. Okay, so let's go ahead. So some basic theory part, if you want, you can go through. So this is again one loop. Okay, while is also one kind of loop. And what kind of loop? So this will execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. So if a condition is true, till now it will keep continuing and keep rotating and it will execute. So basic syntax of while loop is while you can give condition, whatever condition you want, and code of code block to be executed. Whatever code you want to execute, you can write inside the while loop. Let's go ahead practically and we'll see. So I'll create one more class called while test. Simple. So I need one main method first, because without main method we can't execute the program in Java. So let's do while loop. So while, very basic syntax I'll give. So 2 is greater than 1. So I'm just writing very simple example. Okay, 2 is greater than 1, or let's see here, I'll write int a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2, and a is greater than 1 means indirectly I'm trying to tell 2 is greater than 1, which is true, and this is true always, right? This condition will be never fail. It will be always greater than 1. So 2 will be always greater than 1. If I'll execute, let's see what will happen. So if it will be executed, see, it is keep executing. Okay, it is keep executing. You are not able to, it is not infinite loop, it is, because it will be always true. It will be never false. Okay, and since I'm not printing any statement, so I'm not getting output. So let me print something. Okay, so hello, something I'm printing so that you will get to know. So I'll run once again. See, hello, it will keep printing. It will be infinite loop, because a is greater than 1 means 2 is greater than 1. It will be always true. It will never be fail. Okay, perfect. Let me close this. Now I want to iterate only till some loop. So again, you can customize, you can write however you want. Okay, so I'll write a minus minus. Minus minus means what? It will reduce by 1. So first time a is what? 2. So a is greater than 1. Yes, means 2 is greater than 1. Yes, it will come here, it will print. Then I'm a minus minus means now a will become what? Minus 1 means 1. It will go to loop. 1 is greater than 1. No, it will fail. It will not go inside this. So loop will terminate here. So only one times hello will be printed. Let's see. See, only one time, right? So this is how we can control while loop as well. Okay, now we'll see do while. Okay, what is do while loop? Okay, so here only I'll see. So I'll just copy this. I'll just copy this code. I'll just write it down. Okay, how comment this star has star. Okay, so now we'll see do while. So let me write do while. Let me write this code. Let it be. So this is one condition, and write how to write this. So do, you can write do open block, and you can write some message which you want to write here. Okay, so anything you can write. So I'll write suppose, okay, always run. Okay, so we should go for do while loop for condition which will be always so mainly if you are going for do while loop will what? Control the iteration. If you want to control, if you want to iterate a number of things, okay, until and unless the condition is false, okay, or you want to iterate until and unless condition is true, then you should go for while loop. Simple, because you don't know the iteration. Okay, if it will be means false, then it will be break, right? But if you'll go for loop, you will be having definitely condition. Okay, we have given the condition. If you'll see, we have given the condition, okay, 5 times. Okay, but here we don't have condition. Okay, it will be continue unless or until condition will be false. Okay, so that is while. But what is the use of do while? So do while will, if condition will be false also, at least one time my do block is going to execute. That is the main use of this do while. So like here I'll write a is greater than 2. So 2 is greater than 2? No, it is false. Still my do will execute once, always run. Let me execute, always run. Fine. If I'll write here 1, let me see how it will the output. So it will again infinite loop because condition will be always true, right? So this is how this do while will work. If you want to control here, again you can write a minus minus. Let me check this. I'll write, so only once it will be, because first it will, irrespective of condition is true or not, this while loop is always going to execute first, then it will check the condition. Okay, so this is how do while will work. Okay, that's all about this lecture. You have understood, I think, do and do while. Okay, so let's see you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.